Hi, what's up? Today I'm going to bring you along as I make my breakfast. I am going to be making blueberry pancakes and they are going to be very delicious. These pancakes are soft, moist and very fluffy, so stay tuned until the end of the video. And if you like watching my videos, don't forget to give my videos a like. And also if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Let's grow together. Yeah, so this is going to be a very simple recipe. So over here I have a couple of ingredients and you'll find the ingredients listed in the description box down below, together with some of my other videos that I've been doing. I've been doing a couple of pancake videos, so you can check them out. And don't forget to like. Without further ado, let's get started. And to my bowl I'm going to add flour. Then these are the dry ingredients, and then I'm going to add sugar. Then I'm going to add baking powder, baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. So I've said you find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Whisking the dry ingredients is going to make the butter very light and fluffy. And to my dry ingredients I'm going to add milk. You can use milk or buttermilk. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can never go wrong when adding vanilla. And 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Lastly, my egg. Then I'm going to whisk all my ingredients together. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Make sure all the flour is combined with the wet ingredients. This is how my butter is looking. So once all the ingredients are combined, don't overmix the batter. So I'll move over to the stove top and on medium heat. Make sure it is medium because you don't want to burn your pancakes. I'm not going to add blueberry at this point because I don't want to squish them with my whisk. I'm going to add them in the pan. So I'm going to use half a cup to scoop out the butter into the pan because I want a large pancake, not a small one. You can also use a quarter cup or a third cup, and it will give you a smaller pancake if you're making it for the kids. Yeah. So to my pan I'm going to use my cooking spray and spray a little bit of oil. Then I'm going to scoop out the butter and add the butter in my pan. So remember we are using medium flame. You want your pancakes to be golden brown, not black. So immediately I add my butter, I'm going to add in my blueberries. Once you notice bubbles on top of your pancake, it's time to flip. Wow, look at that, very nice. So I'm going to give the other side about 30 seconds and then our pancakes is ready. My pancake is ready, so I'm going to transfer this to a plate. Then I'm going to add some more oil and butter. And immediately add blueberries. I added my blueberries on top of my pancake because I didn't want my butter to be purplish because of the color of the blueberries. and they are looking amazing, and I love how they are turning out soft, and I know they're going to be very delicious. So I'm going to give this 30 seconds and then I'm going to do the rest. Making blueberries in the morning is usually so good because the pancakes are fresh and hot. So I have a couple of, okay, this recipe is for about 2 people. And it's very nice. So you can make this recipe on Sunday during brunch. Be a little bit extra for your family. So you'll find the blueberries at our Western supermarket, and the results are going to be very delicious. Trust me. My blueberry pancakes are ready, and if you're used to eating bread each morning, try out this recipe and you will enjoy each and every bite. So if you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and tell me in the comment section what you think about these amazing blueberry pancakes. Catch you on my next one. Bye.